Oh guys, so here's a 1990 or 1991 Honda Prelude. We have no idea what year it is. We're gonna wash it. I don't know how long do you think it's been washed? When's the last time you think it got washed? Okay, Dad disappeared. I have no idea where Dad went. Anyways, the last time it was probably washed is probably probably around 5 years ago or so. And this, we don't own the car. It's our neighbor's car. So we're gonna wash it for her, and eventually, it'll be my first car. Even though I have the Opal, this will be my daily driver, hopefully, if I can get it. Yeah, so we're just gonna wash it. Has pop-up headlights, which are really cool. It has this like bra thingy on it. It's kind of chewed away, but it's cool. What? How long do you think this thing's been washed for? When's the last time it got washed? 5 years ago?
Yeah, probably a couple years ago.
Yeah, so like 2 years ago or so. There's the wheels. Has four-wheel disc brakes on it, which is pretty cool.
It's 91.
It's a 91?
Yep.
Okay, so okay guys, so this is a 1991 Honda Prelude then. Oh, there's our kitties. There's Peaches and Cream and Frida's over there. Oh, there's our kitties.
Pretty sure it's
91,
91.
okay. Yeah, there's no rust in the front. Tinted windows, sunroof, interior. Has a little bit of rust in the back. There's a tiny bit of rust down there. Rust right there. Rear tinted windows. There's four-wheel disc brakes. It's pretty cool. It's a SI, so it's a 2.1 liter four-cylinder. There's the rusted out muffler. That sounds actually pretty good. There's that. We haven't opened the trunk or anything yet. There's more rust, but a little gas tank thingy. That's right there. Some rust in there. But this is not a four-wheel steer model, so just to let you guys know, this is a not the base model, because the base model is this S, and there's the 2-liter SI, and the SI is a 2.1 liter. So this one makes 140 horsepower. It has automatic, but 182,000 miles on it. But the interior is like perfect condition. It's mint. And AC works, and this window makes weird clunking noise. Grinding, yeah, and that window works good. Yeah, we haven't tested the sunroof out. And it has the rare, I guess this thing in here is rare. The clock thingy. I don't know how that works. I guess that's really rare, that latch right there. And then, that's kind of cool right there. There's a few things that are rare, but this thing's really nice. Yeah. So we're gonna wash it, and I'm gonna have to try to find my. What's that? Where's the kitty at?
Over here.
What's this in the garage by the Corvette? Yeah, so I'm gonna have to try to find my tripod, and then we'll do a time lapse video of us washing it. Where's the kitty? Oh, there's the kitty. The kitty. I do the kitty. Wow. Wow. Okay. washing it. I just washed it. Looks really nice. You guys can see. Oh, what the heck is? Oh, a bee. Hi, bee. Hi. Here, let me help you. Oh, crap. Okay, yeah, don't want to see me. Yeah, we have beehives over there. We have like 20,000 beehives now. We have a lot of beehives. And mine has the most honey. Yay. So, yeah, I'm winning. Okay, anyways, so here it is. All freshened up after like a couple years. Oh, is that grass? Yeah, okay. Comment down below if you guys notice anything weird about this car. If you guys notice anything weird about this car, I don't know if the GoPro will show you, but yeah, so here it is after it's all cleaned up. Notice something different. What happened there to there? It's interesting to say the least. Anyways, the bumpers are pink, which is weird. My dad says that they must have been faded from the sun. Cause this car used to be in the garage about 5 years ago. They would be garaged. The owners would wax it and wash it all the time. But her husband just died, so she hasn't been doing that much. So we decided to do it for her. In a way to try to maybe get this car. Yes, pretty soon we'll get it. Yeah, so for some reason bumpers are pink. Yeah, there's a bunch of paint that's like, why is it white right there? It's weird. Like right there, paint scratched, the whole like hood. Where's a cow? Oh, there's the kitties. Anyways, like look at that, like there you go. Look at all that paint. Look at all those little bubbles. That's all paint missing. Front bumper's kind of rough too. It's a rock for some reason. And the prettiest thing, yay! Beautiful. What? Yeah, no, I see the cats. They're playing over there. But so yeah, so if you guys, I've never saw one of these. All the YouTube videos and stuff I've watched of Preludes, pictures I've saw on Google, I haven't found a single, I guess you call it a bra thingy, like this. I've never saw anything like this. Even says Prelude on it, really faint letters. The heck? Anyways, if any of you guys know if this is like a factory option or dealer or whatever it was, please let me know. Okay, I've noted that noise is. But anyways, I would really like to remake it. Obviously you can tell it's turning green. It's getting disgusting, but I would really like to remake that. Anyways, this pop-up headlights, which we haven't tried yet. We literally drove it like, I don't even know if a quarter of a mile to get to our house. She lives just out there on the main road a little bit. So, but my dad absolutely loves this car. Like, this car is rock stable. Like, what? You're on video. Yeah, kitties. But anyways, this car is like it doesn't squeak at all. Like all the videos watch Preludes, like they're like all the owners are complaining like, oh, the car squeaks and rattles stuff. This thing does not squeak or rattle. This thing is solid. Going over bumps, it's better than the Mazda probably or the van. I don't know about the Corvette though, but it's like really nice going over bumps because we have a bunch of bumps around our neighborhood. And it's just like a really nice car. It's so low to the ground, and it's just way too much fun. So, and it actually sounds pretty good for the rusted out, wonderful muffler. As you guys can see, the beautiful rusted out muffler. It looks like it has new exhaust tips on it, I don't know. But it actually doesn't sound too bad. I was thinking of replacing it with a, like this is a DTM style dual tip muffler, which that stands for. But anyways, I was thinking of putting an eBay DTM muffler on there for like $45. But I've been looking at reviews and like, oh, it's horrible and stuff. And yeah, it's loud, but I guess the welds aren't the greatest, so. I don't know. We'll probably do a startup video of this thing. Start running it and stuff. So if you guys, once I get this car, which I don't know when it'll be, it could be a year, could be a month, could be a couple months, it could be whenever. Whenever I get this car. Oh, there's Kitty. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, what kind of muffler I should put on it. I was thinking of like some people say vibrant muffler's really good, but I want a DTM style like that. I want a DTM style. I was looking at all kinds of styles, mostly eBay, but like OBX has a universal muffler. I don't really want to put headers on this car because the only headers you can buy are OBX headers, and those are like $260. I don't want to spend that much for headers. So I was thinking if I found Honda Accord headers for $88, so Let me know if those would fit. But as you can see, here's the rust. I don't know what the heck that foam crap in there is, but I mean, you can just, yeah, it just, oh, okay. Ooh. It's kind of rusty. And there's the rest. Here's 4-wheel disc brakes. Oh, this thing has a brand new battery in it and a brand new idler pulley, if you guys know what that is. Let's see here. How do you open this hood? Oh yeah, you have to get in the car. I want to show you guys the wonderful engine. It's not a VTEC. Just sad. No. They started putting VTECs in the Honda Preludes in '92, I think, in Japan. And they put them in the United States. Do anything? Okay, I guess I did. And they started putting VTECs and Preludes in '93 in the United States, I think. I'm pretty sure I'm right, so anyways. Okay, how do you do this? I don't know how to do this. Oh! Let's see. How do you... Where's the lever at? Aha. There we go. Okay. Oh guys, I'm gonna put this down there right there. This thing's a little warm yet. Okay. Alright guys, there you go. And this GoPro's getting hot. Anyways, this is the brand new battery. And as you guys can see, we have no idea what the heck that is. Ooh, it looks fresh. Huh. You guys know what that is? Someone thinks it's antifreeze and oil maybe mixed together, but we don't know what the heck it is. Yeah, it's all over the place. I don't know. It was kind of cool. It has a little thing, like there's a valve cover gasket, timing belt valve cover basket, 2018, 177,000 miles whenever they replaced that. Alternator, they replaced that, I'm pretty sure. They did a transmission tune-up. Where does that say? It says it somewhere. I think they did a transmission tune-up to like, I don't know how many miles. It wasn't that long ago though. I forget where it says that at. I don't know. Anyways, this thing's a 2.1 liter. It's not a VTEC. Still there's the carpet is like immaculate condition. The seatbelts are on the door, which is kind of unusual. AC works. It's actually on whenever we we're driving it here. The seatbelt thingy's there. Which I don't know why that's eliminated. Sunroof. And these buttons are for the sunroof right there, which I'll have to test out sometime. Oh, it works. Cool. That's pretty nice. The keys in it? No, that's weird. Original radio, air conditioning. Aren't the vents open? There's vents. Glove box, I have no idea in there yet. And what's a shift lock release? I have no idea what that is. What's in here? Ashtray maybe? Cigarette lighter. Really cool steering wheel. I think this thing, yeah, this thing has cruise control, which is kind of fancy. Here, I'm gonna do the trunk. There's original Prelude mats. No idea what that thing is, just like a rest thing, I guess. But as my dad says, he would have loved to have a car whenever he was 16. Well, I'm only 14, but still. Okay, good. It's not leaking, because I've heard... Ooh, it's 30 in there. I've heard things where these things leak. Back here for the trunk. The headlights leak. I have no idea what that is. Something. No idea what this cardboard is either. What is it? Oh, floor mats. Huh. What's that? Jack stand maybe? Speakers? Radio speakers? I haven't tested out the radio or anything, so I don't know. Oh, that's the jack in there maybe. Huh, interesting. It's a very cool car. There we go, there's that.